Hey guys, today I'm going to be making cupcakes because I'm going to start a new series called Baking with Mackenzie. As most of you know, I like baking, but I can't cook. So this is going to be an experience for everybody. So because I'm awesome, I'm going to make cupcakes from a box just to see how it goes. Okay. I really have no idea what I'm doing. So this is legitimately a big experience for all of us. No! No! Where is that coming out of?
The hole?
No, it's like dripping on the side. Yay!
What?
1 1/4 cup of water. 3 what? No. I don't think I'm gonna make it back. Well, I gotta clean. What is? So much instruction going on here, eh? This is empty. And then I'm just gonna put them. Oh. And I'm gonna put them in the oven. 4. Set a time. They're done. I'm so excited. 1. And there's 2. Voila. Time to eat the cupcake. No matter how bad I am at this, these are good.